we decided to come here to this Sendero Los Quetzales, which connects Volcán with Boquete. I don't think we're gonna make the whole thing, but we are just gonna try it. As far as I can see in Google Maps, if we start walking from here to the entrance of the trail, it's 3 kilometers. So it's probably gonna be like 45 minutes before we actually get to the trail.
Here we are, a little bit higher up on the way to the trail. We got a nice mountain there behind us, and lots of fields and pastures. Lechuga, some
There's
lettuce,
some horses behind you.
some horses over there. Abby back there.
And
But
behind
yeah.
those mountains is Volcán.
Yeah, behind there is Volcán, where we're going tomorrow. And yeah, the weather's beautiful, much better today than yesterday. It's mostly clear, a little bit of clouds here and there, but they're nice for the aesthetic. And it's pretty chilly, but it feels good. We got the sun beating down on us, so it gives us a little bit of warmth back. What do you think?
This seems to be the beginning of Sendero Los Quetzales. We'll be walking for around 40 minutes, 3.2 kilometers.
3.3
3.3
kilometers.
kilometers. And we're in an altitude of 2,400?
2,214.
Okay, right.
So we're trying to get at least, I want to get at least 1,000 above what we were at yesterday, so we can get some more acclimation.
Okay, yeah, we can do that. Here it is, Santuario de Vida, Los Quetzales. Los Quetzales are some pretty little birds, and supposedly if we're lucky enough, we might be able to see them. Here we go.
Nice. Hi, here we are. We got to the top of these Quetzales montañas here, and
How high is it?
we're about at we've done almost 6K. We're at 2,531 meters, so this is the highest point, they say, in this area, at least that has the possibility to hike up. It seems like these other mountains surrounding us, maybe they don't have an official pathway, but we've been seeing some unofficial ones along the way coming up this way, so I'm sure other people have gone up at some point in time or another. But I would love to go up there, maybe next time around, but we have to keep our legs fresh for tomorrow. We'll be going up a little bit higher, about another 1,000 meters, around that amount, and it's going to be a little bit more steep terrain.
I'm just gonna make something up because I am pretty sure that because we are, you said 2,500, yeah? Right, so it's about 500, another 500 to the top. So I'm gonna guess that over there is 3,000, and behind that is a crater of volcán, and then the actual volcán summit where the antennas are. So I'm thinking this part there is what makes the crater of the volcán.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, I think so, because
I think we should go up.
I think we should go up. Damn, that looks so accessible.
It would be nice.
That looks very accessible, yeah. What are these?
No, yeah, they look like raspberries.
Raspberries, that's right. This is in El Ávila. You do this. Those are sour ones. But if you get the dark ones, they're very sweet. You want to try one?
All right, now it's time for us to return. Maybe we'll find something else interesting along the way. And hopefully we can show you guys something else for today. This was quite a steep road, actually. Probably doesn't look like it on the camera, but the whole trail was fairly steep. All right, so we're at the bottom of this, the highest point over here. So now I'm gonna go check out one more thing. And I believe it's right over here. We've got the, well, an overgrown sign. And well, there's a little hidden alcove over here. You guys can see a little bit more of the fields along here. Very nice and peaceful.
You must be strong in the mountains. Make sure you stop for a drink of Diablo G Fuel Health Potion for your health. By the way, this video is not sponsored.
It's not sponsored. Well, we do believe in G Fuel.
Anyways, we decided to stop and take a little bit of break before we head back down the mountain. We need to carb up, make sure we stay healthy.
We
with
just
that
had
health
some
potion.
sausages.
Yeah, we ate a couple of sausages. We've got some jelly sandwiches and tuna for later on, so we can stay strong, make sure we're good for tomorrow. And tomorrow we're planning on taking some burritos up with us. So we'll give you another look at that later on.